Beginning shading. Here we go. Okay, first shape that we're going to start trying to shade is a cube. So, starting with just straight values, okay? So let's say we have these three marbles. And let's say one of them is medium and one of them is dark and one of them is light. Okay? So if we had a white marble, a gray marble, and a black marble, there's a value there. The basic lightness and darkness is called value, but the value that you have of the object itself, like the pigmentation of the object, is called its local value or true value. So you can have objects that are any shade between white and gray, right? So at this point we're saying that we've just got a light, a medium, and a dark. Okay? So this is true value or local value shading. And so if we're drawing a picture of a person, we could say this person is wearing a dark hat. They're wearing a medium gray coat. They have on dark pants. Maybe their shoes are light and they're wearing a pair of dark colored gloves. Here, let's put them in a scarf for fun. Okay. Let's see, I wonder if I can get my focus better. Okay, so this is based on local values. Now, another form of shading that we have to deal with, that we get to deal with, is shading caused by the light. Okay, so for instance, if this is a cube, and let's say that the true value of this cube is medium. We'll say that it's a medium cube, so I'm just going to shade it all medium for right now. And let's say that there's a light direction that's coming from this way. Okay, so this is going to become the lightest part, this will become a medium part, and this will become a dark part. See how assigning three separate values, we'll call this value A, value B, and value C, right? So we've assigned three values, and the result of assigning these three values is a sense of form or volume. So form and volume are technical terms that you're going to run into in art all the time. So let's say that we have a cube. but this cube has a light value. So in order to shade this cube, how do we start to determine how dark or light to make the values? And here's a way. If you have a value scale, say your value scale is 9 parts. Where 1 is the lightest, 9 is the darkest. Okay, so here's what you do. You take the value of the object. So let's say that the value of the object is a 1, or yeah, we can say that it's a 1, okay? So you take the value of the object and you subtract it from 9. So you would say 9 minus 1 equals 8, okay? And then you divide it in 2. 8 divided by 2 equals 4. The 4 right here becomes the value of the shadow side. The light side will be the true value, the value of the object, and the middle side will assign a value in between those two. And we're left with 3 distinct values. 1, so we can have A, B, and C, and those 3 distinct values create a sense of dimensionality and form.